Presidential advisor Larry Gadon has responded to Senator Amy Marcos's claim that President Bongbong Marcos and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos were drug users. He argued that her statements were deeply damaging to their family and to supporters who helped rebuild the Marcos name.
Na sinisira niya, hindi si BBM, kundi sinisira niya yung buong pangalan ng mga Marcoses. Ngayon ay sinisira niya. Sinasabi pa niya na nag-drug user daw si BBM at kaya pinakasalan ni Liza ay upang maging matuwid ang kanyang buhay. Napakalaking kalokohan yan.
The presidential advisor defended the First Lady's role during the Marcos family's most difficult years and questioned the senator's motives, hinting that her outbursts may be tied to controversies involving DPWH projects and individuals allegedly linked to her.
Kaibigan kita pero hindi ganyan dapat ang ginagawa mo. Sinisira mo yung pangalan ng buong pamilya nyo. Pero kung galit ka sa kapatid mo, dapat yan ay ipaglihim nyo lang sa inyong pamilya. Huwag mo idamay ang mga Pilipino, huwag mo idamay ang Pilipinas. Ngayon maninira ka, magdi-destabilize ka ng gobyerno.
He also dismissed the drug use allegations as recycled political attacks that have followed the president for decades.
At yung mga adik-adik na lumang tugtugin na yan, wala nang bumibili dyan. Kayo lang na mga bumibili dyan, yung mga kulang, yung mga bobo.
Gadon believes that internal disputes should not be aired publicly, warning that such moves only fuel political instability at a time when the administration is facing mounting challenges.